it's Shanna from O2 and Shan GVG Guys vs. Gal, and today I have this package all the way from Pensacola, Florida, and we are here in Disney World outside on our patio, and I found some squishies at a store called Alvin's Island. It was right on the beach. So I'm just gonna reach in here and see what we got. I'm just gonna choose random. Oh, look at this one. This one makes me laugh. Let's see if they smell. So they just have that squishy smell. You all know that squishy smell. Now tell me what that looks like.
I'm not saying anything.
Yeah, I'm not gonna say it either. Are you ready? Definitely super slow rising. I mean, look, it's still going. So this is a peach. Look at that. Wow, that's super cool. All right, let's see what we got next. Whoa, whoa, it's flying out at me. Look what we got, a croissant. Let's see, how to get it open, There we go. All right, oh guys, oh my goodness, this is almost sticky. Yep, still that squishy smell. All right, let's see, are you ready? That is so cool, watch this. Can you see my fingerprints? I mean, this is like really, I'm gonna let Omar feel that one because it's like sticky.
I like it.
All right, let's see what we've got in here. Throw this on the ground. We got a pineapple.
You know who lives in a pineapple?
My hands are so sticky.
Do you know who lives in a pineapple?
Who lives in a pineapple?
SpongeBob.
Oh. Wow, this one's super, super soft. This is what I want to do really bad. Okay, ready? That is really cool. I think something just stung me in the back. Ow. Super cool. Alright, one more, guys. One more squishy. Ooh, this one's tiny. Oh, look at the little donut. Or a bagel, whichever one you prefer. Let's just rip it. I don't know if I can. Oh, there it is. Yep, still the same smell. This one's super soft too. That one kind of goes a little bit faster. This one's cool detailed. It looks like you can tell the cook marks. So, here are the squishies we got today. Look at that. Which one was your favorite?
I like the croissant. I like the colors, the yellow and the brown. Looks pretty cool.
I think my favorite one is this pineapple. Let me know in the comments section which one is your favorite squishy. And make sure that if you liked and enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure that you hit that big red button and subscribe. And make sure that you hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we put out more content. Alright guys, we love you so much and we'll see you next time. Bye!